Making a layer on 2x2 is an important step in both the layer by layer and CLL methods. Efficiency and speed in building the first layer is vital for getting fast at these methods. In this video, I will go over how to make better and faster layers. In 2x2, especially for making a layer, you have to be colour neutral to be fast. You will miss out on easy sides and will force yourself to do hard sides if you're not colour neutral. Also, there are not that many pieces on 2x2, so becoming colour neutral is easy. This change alone can boost your layer building considerably. There are two main steps to building a layer: the first bar and the last two pieces. The first bar should be one or two moves. In many scrambles, there is already a bar made. When the bar is done, there will be two sides you can do. You should be able to plan which side you will do in inspection, based on how easy the last two pieces are. Inspection is really important in 2x2. You should plan most, if not all, of your first layer in inspection. The last two pieces are where most of the improvement for the first layer happens. You mainly want to focus on getting more efficient at putting them in. A lot of this comes with time and experimenting during untimed solves. I will show some good solutions to common cases as a second part of this video to help with this. If there are no good options for a layer, you can try making an EG2 side. This is where you have one side completed, with a diagonal swap needed to make the layer. Then you can do R2, B2, R2 to make it into a layer. Of course, having to do this takes extra moves, but it can be quite useful if there are no good layer options, or a very good option to make an EG2 layer. When doing this, you should try to cancel out some moves. So here you've got three pieces on the white side, like this, and one piece that needs to just be put into here to make the side. So you could just do like a 4-move insert, like that, and then go into doing it. But you can cancel out one move by doing 3 moves of the insert, and then going into it. Now this is only one move, so it's not a huge difference, but it can help. And on most sides, you will be able to do something like this. I will now show you some easy solutions for common cases you can get for the last two pieces. So for a case like this, where you've got a bar here, and one piece in the wrong place, and a piece facing upwards, you can move it so that when you move this piece up into the top layer, these two pieces connect, and then you can just put them in like that. For a case like this, where you've got one piece in the wrong place, and one piece facing outwards like this, you just want to insert this first piece, and then insert this second piece. For a case like this, where you've got 3 pieces correct, and one piece here, which needs to go in here, a common thing people do is move it above it, and then put it in with 3 moves. That's not what you want to do. You can just put it in with 3 moves from there. When you've got both pieces in the top layer, you want to see if you can connect them up first before putting them in there. So here, I can connect them up like that, and then put them in. And here, I can connect them up like this, and then put them in. This is a bit more of a specific example, but if you have these two pieces correct, and you've got this piece and this piece, so if you connect them up like this, they're not correct, what you can do is, and that connects them up. Now, of course, those were just a few examples out of the many cases you can get for the last two corners. I recommend doing some untimed solves to find some really efficient ways to do the other examples that you can get.